Futures Exchange, the SPY finished up 25 at 2,557. That's a 32-point premium.
March trade 95 50 times. Any luck? Woo! Alright, okay, 158. I got 100 more to sell. That's 150 gone.
Dow Jones up 139, but the broader base market's up 20 points.
And the Aussie temporarily out of the woods. That's it for me.
Here on the Sydney Futures Exchange, we're doing something like $10.5 trillion worth of business a year in nominal terms, which means on average, $200 billion a day trades on the SFE.
This is where all the orders come down through all the way from all around the world, come down to the Sydney Futures Exchange, and they use an open outcry, so you'll bid or you offer them, and then people will trade, you know, they'll buy and sell.
You are speculating on whether interest rates on an hourly, daily, minute basis is going to go up or down.
You're bullish if you think the price is going to go up, and you're bearish if you think the price is going to go down. And that extends to things being good versus things being bad.
Here we go!
Well, the buzz of trading is it's instant gratification. You can make a lot of money very quickly. Let's throw the dice and we'll put our money on the table, and except it's just like one big casino out there.
The futures market's a place where risk is transferred from someone who doesn't want the risk to someone who's prepared to accept the risk. And that's about it.
Buy. Buy 200. Buy 300. Buy everything you can fucking get your hands on. I don't try to predict where the market's going to go. It's like a comet going through in the sky. You can't see the comet, but you can see the tail. We can see the price action, but we can't actually ever really grasp the market. You can't really ever really grasp the market. All you can do is try to jump on board the comet and ride it for a while. All we can see is the tail. That's the price action. It's historical prices. People, you can analyze charts up the yin-yang. You're looking at the tail of the comet. You got to learn to get aboard the comet and ride the comet. That's the idea of trading. It's the idea of getting on board the market and doing what the market tells you to do. It's a very hard thing to do. I would say only 2 or 3 times a year I really feel like I'm on board the comet. But when I'm on board the comet, it's the best feeling in the world.
Well, his name's John. He's American, and he's a big trader, a very big trader. So he came into the pit and he's like, with a very strong American accent. Somebody said, "It's not your war, John." He goes, "It is now." So they call him Rambo.
John Moulton resides primarily in far north Queensland, and I would think that he spends now only about 5% of his trading days on the trading floor. And I'm sure that when you've spoken to him, he's been able to elaborate how he can trade just as successfully off the trading floor as he can trade on the trading floor.
My fucking computer doesn't want to stay on. Nobody fucking else. Oh, no wonder. Fucking, this is great. My phone lines are fucked. Telstra, in its wisdom, came out the other day and put in a temporary phone line. They have no idea this could cost me hundreds of thousands of dollars, just being fucked up the way it is. Anyway, what are you gonna do? It's an omen. It's an omen to sit on my hands this morning and not trade, maybe. Aha. I know all I gotta do is this. Get the new phone line in there. Put that in there. Voila. Clear line. Beautiful. Little alternative thinking works here. You know what the real sad part is this telephone is only going to want to work out there. It doesn't work right here. If I move 5 feet that way, the fucking thing works. I need to call directly to the floor Can you put me through to Axel just for a second?
Axel? Hello? Very well, very busy at the moment.
Are there any spread orders in the pit I should know about right now? Is it still bid there? All right, listen, can you call me up with this stuff before it goes out of the pit? I mean, you're telling me stuff that's already happened. It doesn't do me a whole lot of good. I would love to have sold that at 30 points. I was buying the bills and selling the 3 years last night, and that would have been a good opportunity to liquidate it. Okay. No, just as soon as anything hits that pit, can you call me straight away with it, please? Thank you, mate. You know, by the time he calls me and tells me what's going on, the trade has already occurred and gone, and there's not much I can do about it. So, you know, the floor is still got, you know, the floor has still got heaps of advantages. My profitability would be a lot higher if I was still on the floor. So there you go.
There are about 450 people on the trading floor.
You can lose a lot of money very quickly because it is a very risky business. If you're a trader that's trading large volume, making money, and all of a sudden it dries up and you're still trading large, you'll find yourself in trouble.
By the way, this is what I traded yesterday. You want to see it in the written form? There you go. I traded, I think I figured out it was 18,000 lots yesterday, which for me is, sitting up here in Port Douglas, is certainly a record. About 13% of the market, which is probably larger than it should be. I'm not comfortable trading that large size with the market and the overall volume of the market. It's usually not a good sign. It can be a sign that I might be over trading. Off to SciComm we go. Actually, 88. 10 years starting off with that 6.5 bid. Are we open? You can go crazy in this weather. It keeps raining. Really, your day never really has a start, and your day really doesn't have an end. I look at it more along the lines of when is the market shut and when is the market not shut. And pretty much nowadays the market is open from 8:30 on Monday morning till 6 o'clock Saturday morning. My perception is that the nature of the market is constantly evolving. So do you as a trader. Constantly have to evolve with the market.